Hello everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evenings, wherever you are. My name is Gatwagrut. I'm light about the connecting with like-minded folks to contribute to make difference and learning from the best. Here, I'm a student at University of People. This mornings, I want to represent my PowerPoint that I prepared, title, subtitle, so we can even see and hear the university people is a university online. It represents a very good point of views to all universities worldwide. The title here, How the Mighty Cactus Survives the Desert. Subtitle, A Story of Sun's Water and Clear Chemistry, Community Sinai Presentation. As a presenter, my name is Gatwagrut here. Date of December 3rd, 2025. Welcome. Thanks for presentation. As I repeat, my name is Gatwagrut here. Today I'm going to show you how the cactus, one of the toughest plants on the earth, survives in a place that are ways toward and dry for almost anything else to live. As you can see in this picture, the points we can start it with the saguaro cactus, how it survived in the desert. Saguaro cactus, it lives in the super hot desert, temperature up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit per 49 degrees Celsius. That is the maximum. Can stay in the hottest place. The rain may come once, only a few times a year. A big saguaro can store more than 1 ton of water, that is like 8 pools bathtub. A famous cactus saguaro, pickle and fell better cactus. This is a 3 types of famous cactus that were staying through worldwide. So as I narrate something here as to summarize holds the morning star saguaro cactus. The cactus is a resilient desert dweller. It thrives in the scorching temperatures and is scorched rainfall. It is a matter of water storage. Holding over 1 ton of water and it is a massive stems allow it to survive for up to 150 years. Bloom beautiful flowers each spring. Yes, these are how it produces the good flowers. Due to the massive water storage in its tank to endure the hottest temperatures and survive with that condition. What does the cactus get energy? Where to get energy? I think everyone knows. All green plants use sunlight and the cactus is no different. But the cactus is the same with other plants. And the main energy is sunlight. That is the main source of energy. Due to make its own food, like glucose through photosynthesis, and store it extra food plus water into its thick and dewy stem. Grow very slow and use energy super impatiently. As I narrate down, just like a very green plant, like I mentioned it before, the cactus solar power is sugar factory. The cactus gets its energy from sunlight through photosynthesis. Just like other green plant, it is use sunlight to make It is own food, glucose, stored, extra energy and watering system. Flowers allow it to grow slowly and efficiently. Sometimes somebody can ask where the plant gets its own food. Plant get own food through sunlight, full stop. As you can see down here, the flowers at the night time breathing. How? Yeah, this is a diaphragm that I show here. You can even see the balance, the difference, how the saguaro cactus survives days and nights. As a diaphragm, the day is stomach closed and night is stomach open. That is interchange. It's exchange the temperature, like the way it behaves in the days and night. Most plants, like cactus, of a genus water serving streak. They open the stomata at night, collecting carbon dioxide with minimal water lost, stored it as a malic acid. Then they close their stomach during the odd days, using the stored carbon dioxide in to photosynthesis and serving up to 90% of water. Either other plants would be lost. The special trick is, they call it a CAM, photosynthesis, a crucial asset metabolism. The cactus work the night shift so it stays cool and hydrated. This is how it survives. At the night time, stomata open. At the daytime, the stomata closed due to the exchange of the temperature. The tin-alpha enzyme. How's the tin-alpha enzyme? So here is a picture too, because I want to put this picture like this. You can see it here. Tin-alpha enzyme, and sometimes you can even see another one here. That is a picture that I put here due to understand the interrelationship, how to deal with the tin-alpha enzyme. Enzyme plus substrate is called locks and key because it can lock itself. Enzyme is a special protein that speeds up the production million of the time. Yes, in a cactus, Phe carbolysis grabs carbon dioxide night. Ribisco helps make sugar during the days. Other enzymes turn stored stem into the quick energy. As I narrow down here, the enzyme is like suffer past factory work inside every cell. Without, there would be impossible slow enzymes. Enzyme is our biological catalyst. Speed up reactions in all living things. They fit a substrate like locks and key, enabling processes like carbon dioxide captured energy production. As I summarize in the picture to understand very clearly and easy to understand correctly. What happens? Enzyme get what? In danger flash. So here is a simple. It's simple to understand as I put this signs to understand what happens if enzyme get what. So this is a sign. This is a sign you can't even see here. So to understand it clearly, due to the big warnings that the big red warning sign that wilted cactus carbon. It above 130 degree Fahrenheit, close bracket is 55 degrees Celsius. Enzyme change shape and stop working due to too much hottest they denature. A plant can make food and stops and dies due to the hybrid of the hottest temperature. Liberated cactus can die during extreme heat wave. That should be the condition that the cactus can endure the temperature, but extremely heat waves can make it to die. Turning food into usable energy, cellular respiration. Here is a picture that I bring. You see glucose glycolysis in cytoplasm, no oxygen needed, 2 ATP plus pyruvate, carbocycles in mitochondria, release carbon dioxide and electron to electron transport chain. Electron transport chains in mitochondria use oxygen to make 30 to 32 ATP plus water. That is a picture. Simple step diagrams. Glycolysis in phytoplasm. As I mentioned it here, this is a whole detail I put in the picture is the jadon here, like the cactus uses cellular respiration to convert glucose into usable energy, ATPs, in 3 steps. Glycolysis, cytoplasm, Krebs circles, mitochondria, release carbon dioxide plus electron transport chain use oxygen to make 30 ATP plus water. The water produced is a bonus for the cactus in the desert. The process happens in a cactus cell exactly like it happens in your cell right now. The cactus convert glucose into energy, ATP, through cellular respiration, just like humans do. The process production water as byproducts, which is a valuable resource in the desert. Why does the cactus need so much ATP energy? Yes, ATP is a power everything. It gives this sign. ATP energy solves a siren desert. ATP power survivals. And water storage is slow growth. Slow growth and resistant. Yes. Sometimes you can even see a different thing like this one. Why does the cactus so much ATP energy? ATP. This is a temperature. The bar of the temperature, it should be bar on the situations it survives. The slow growth rate and water storage, survival in the extreme heat. This is how it should be easy to understand very clearly. Often a beautiful night blooms flowers for bat and moth, pumping water upward against gravity, referring to damage from the breathing nights and angry animals. ATP, the universal energy current of life. The more cool does the tricks, as to compare the two plants in the areas is the deadliest and the hottest and the coolest. The cactus has adaptation that make it master of the water conservation. Its spin instead of leaves reduce water loss and protect it from the predators. And shallows more quickly absorb rainwater. Flinted of the stems expand to storage water. Wax skins act as a waterproof coat. It's like living water tank. This is how the cactus survives, and this is a point I jotted down from the cactus as it survives in the hottest place or in the desert. And this is the end of our presenters for my PowerPoint preferred in University of People, and thank you.